Welcome to 43 Blacksmith Road in beautiful Oak Bluff. Come on in and have a tour of this lovely home with me. Coming into the home, we have a large foyer with hand-scraped hardwood floors that flow throughout the whole home. Spacious living room offers a wall of windows, a beautiful feature wall with an electric fireplace and built-in shelves. The open concept living area expands into a large dining room, great for entertaining. Going into the kitchen, we have a rich chocolate brown cabinetry that stands out with the white quartz stone countertops. The kitchen also offers high-end stainless steel appliances and a butler's pantry that goes into the mudroom and also the main floor laundry. The primary bedroom is spacious and has a garden door to the deck and hot tub. It also offers a gorgeous 3-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. Second bedroom, a 4-piece bathroom, and a den or office space complete the first floor. Coming down to the lower level, we have a huge rec room with an electric fireplace, a workout area, and space for a pool table. We also have 2 more good-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. Thanks for joining me on a tour of this gorgeous home. For service beyond the sale, give me a call.